Daniel at the Assessment Toolbox here. Can students see other students' responses in Google Forms? There is one setting that controls this. It turns it on and off. Let me show you first where that is. That's under Settings. And right here, see Summary Charts and Text Responses. This is for the respondents, so the people who fill it out, your students, if they can see summary charts and text responses. Let me show you what that looks like. Here is a completed version of the same quiz, and this is the link that they get. See previous responses. If they click that, they're going to see all the other responses. Now, before you freak out and think, oh my goodness, that's incredibly scary. One, it could be a little scary, but two, it doesn't have to be. There's actually an amazing educational opportunity here for this reason. They see the summary, but they do not know who said what. There is no way within this page for them to know Jenny's the one who got this one wrong. Now, students can give that away. They can flat out tell each other in the classroom. If only one other student has responded, obviously it's that one. But we don't have to be terrified of this. I want you to think creatively. What is a way that you could have some amazing class-wide analysis? Maybe they decide what needs to be on the review before the big test. Maybe they need to group themselves and decide what is the biggest thing to focus on going forward. And so I think, man, I want you to leave a comment for your best idea. How could you use this for great things for learning in your classroom? So don't be scared of it, but know that there's a lot of power in that. And especially I feel good about it because they can't tell which student responded to which part. So leave that comment below, and for more trainings like this, 2 minutes at a time, for teachers, you can subscribe to the Assessment Toolbox channel. Happy teaching.